case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1992 case heard by the Supreme Court of New Jersey, a mother who was deemed unfit saw her parental rights come under scrutiny, leading to a harrowing exploration of what truly constitutes the best interest of a child. This controversial case, known as the Guardianship of J.C., tussled with the intricate balance between child welfare and parents' rights, while underlining a profound question: when should a parent's rights be permanently terminated? At the heart of this intricate legal matter was a mother who, due to her inability to adequately care for her children, lost custody, resulting in them being placed in foster care. A decision by the state to terminate this mother's parental rights catapulted the case into the courts, setting off a complex chain of legal contention. The initial trial court agreed with the state's decision, permitting the termination of the mother's parental rights. This decision was based on NJSA 30:40:15, which allows for termination if the parent has failed to maintain contact and plan for the future of the child for over a year, or if it is in the best interests of the child. In predominantly focusing on potential harm to the children if returned to their mother, the expert testimonies stress the positive impact of the foster parents, particularly on the older girls suffering from emotional problems and potential learning disabilities. However, the mother appealed the decision, arguing that the state and the lower court did not adequately consider the required 4 criteria that substantiate the termination of a parent's rights. These criteria, established in a prior case known as AW, includes the existence of harm impairing the child's health and development, the parent's inability or unwillingness to eliminate this harm, thorough consideration of alternatives to termination, and an assessment of whether termination would cause more harm than good. The appellate division sided with the mother, overturning the lower court's decision on grounds of undisclosed experts' bonding evaluation. The ruling underscored the prerequisite for the state to provide clear and convincing evidence that separating the child from their foster parents would lead to serious and enduring emotional or psychological harm. Consequently, the case was remanded for a new hearing, emphasizing a more comprehensive assessment of the mother's bond and relationship with her children. While the court acknowledged potential risks to the children if they were separated from their foster parents, it did not find the harm greater than the potential benefit of preserving the mother's parental rights. The court's decision underscored that removing a child from their natural parents should be the last resort in child welfare cases, raising fundamental questions about the intersection between a child's welfare and their connection with natural parents.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.